Crude oil yet again traded bearish for the day and it has reached the critical support at 76 and now struggling in between 75.8 76 zone. While the net gas is the one which is failing to break below 1.99 has bounced back and now is still trading in a very narrow zone. You can see it is struggling at 2.02 levels. Now what to expect with the US session? Can we expect this trend to continue where the oil is going to plummet more and the net gas starts to rise because it has already seen the critical support at $2 levels? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update. Those who had watched the first update must have already profited. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into crude oil WTI, followed with net gas. Watch this. See, US crude today after this drop, it has retraced. It has retraced towards the 2050 period moving average and has reversed since then. Now the bigger rise, the retracement, and this could lead to a bigger rise, but I can see the bearishness getting diminished here with every candle. And on the upside, it is still 77. We should not be trading this for a buy. Only above 77, we should go and think of buying crude oil. Else, it is still trading. And also on the hourly chart, see 75.8 is a very good support. So if you see it is staying below 75.8, that is the point of time you can take a selling entry for 75.5. Now 75.8, when I say the higher price has to be below 75.8 in order to trade further bearish. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading bearish, and RSI is also has almost seen the bottom. Look at the 2-hour chart, the drop, the retracement, and see after retracing towards 2050 period moving average, it is reversed. Now the moving averages have also crossed over, good sign for the bears. And on the upside, there is a stronger resistance at 77. So you have to be cautious till then. Only bullishness is if it trades above 77 here. In fact, you can buy at 76.5, but again 77 needs to be taken in order to trade bullish. Stochastic looking down, MACD trading bearish, RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see after a bit of retracement, it is breaking out here. And thus once it stays below 75.8, you can take a selling entry for 75.5, the first support zone. Below that, we may see it dropping below 75 again. See what has happened, I have mentioned earlier in the day, if you look at the formation, it has almost formed a double top here and it is taking the direction. What has happened here? It has hit lower lows. So lower lows here are towards 73.8. Till then, you have to be watchful. Stochastic at bottom, MACD. Look at the MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI dropping, looking downwards. On the 4-hour charts, if you on the 4-hour charts, the observation is more or less same. See, first bearish candle taking a swing here on the upside. Now it is looking downwards, but it is very important for it to trade below 75.8, 75.7. So this zone, these levels are below 75.8, 75.7. You can take a selling entry, first support at 75.5 and then at 75.2. So till then you have to be cautious here. Stochastic definitely is oversold. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI has dropped. And when you look at the daily charts, and yes, before we look into daily, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See, after this reversal sign, the day before yesterday was a stronger bullish candle. It has come towards the 20 period, delivering the flat top. It is reversed. Now what has happened here? See, if you treat this as an expanding triangle, the lows here are towards 74, 73.8. And for the day, see, it has to break below 75.8 in order to trade towards 75.5, 75.2 and 75 levels. I see very strong support levels for crude oil till 75 levels here. The stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is dropped as well. Looking at very simple where you should buy or buying entry today, I will recommend is above 76.5 only till 76.5. It is not a buy. Yes, if you are buying at lower levels, definitely there is a risk to it. Above 76.5, we can see a good rise towards 76.8 and 77. And if it trades above 77, just stay bullish for 77.5, 78 levels as well. Chances for which appears to be less today, looking at the downside move. And on the downside, where you should sell, I will recommend that sell at 75.7, 75.8. Where you can expect 75.4, 75.5 first target zone and 75.15, 75 at the next. Any drop below 75 should bring a stronger bearish momentum, which can in fact take the prices towards 74, 73.8, the strongest support here on the downside. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. And do not miss to watch the weekly review tomorrow. Now let's have a look at natural gas. If you look at natural gas, what has happened? See the drop retracement, and it is now looking downwards. So once you see it trading below 1.99, the lower end of the trade, when you see the higher prices below 1.99, take a selling entry. And then we can look forward to 1.96 and lower levels. Yes, it is already delivering lower lows, and once it, where we can in fact expect 1.96, 1.95, and below 1.9695, the next targets are towards 1.92 and 9. See, look at the formation, the drop, and then the retracement, then the drop. It is trading in this bearish channel. The lows here are towards 1.9695 levels. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is divergent looking upwards. RSI has dropped here. See, till 2.02 levels, as we have discussed earlier in the day, it is definitely greater resistance on the upside till 2.02 and 2.05 levels. If you look at the 2-hour charts, the observation is same. See, higher highs are seen, higher lows are seen. Thus, on the upside above 2.02, we can see a little bullish momentum where we can see it moving towards 2.04, 2.06, the greater resistance. Beyond that, it will turn towards a reversal. Else, what is happening here? Look at the formation, the drop retracement, and it is again looking downwards. Thus, a drop below 1.99, where you can see the lows here below 1.99. We can see another bearish move here. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for the buys. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is flat, coming to 3 hour. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation, the current candle is showing a little swings. Buying entry is about 2.02 only. The stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is flat. On the 4-hour charts, you can see after consolidation, I can see it showing a swing. I will not treat this as bearish as long as on the downside 1.99 is not taken. So till 1.99, that too the higher price has to be below 1.990 in order to confirm the further drop. Else, what is happening? See, it is trading with divergence from the 20 period. It can keep moving towards 20 period, which is sitting at around 2.05 levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI looking down. Coming to on the daily charts, what has happened here? See, simple observation, rise, drop, retracement, and see the preceding candle closing at the lows here. Now today again it has formed a tail, and it suggests that I think it is going to be difficult for it to break on the downside, as almost a double bottom is seen here. Thus, as long as this double bottom levels are respected, which means it has to break below 1.99, that too the higher price has to be below 1.99 in order to confirm the bearishness. Else the chances of it to retrace a little on the upside like this is. But there are no signs, only about 2.02, I will recommend a buying entry. Stochastic looking down, MACD flat and RSI flat. Looking at this, very simple, at 2.02 you can initiate a buying entry, expect 2.04, 2.05. Once it stays beyond 2.05, stay bullish for 2.1, 2.11 levels as the next stronger resistance on the upside. Any move beyond which, you will see it hitting 2.15, the next milestone. Looking at the momentum, the bulls appear to be or you can say there are no bulls at all, and bears are taking the control. But on the downside also, I can see a very strong support here at 1.99 levels. So a selling entry today is only below 1.99, where you can expect 1.97, 1.95 two support levels. Below 1.95, extreme bearishness will prevail towards 1.92 and 1.9 levels, chances for which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the next update with that is a weekly review tomorrow for the crude oil and the net gas. It is going to give you a fair enough idea of what to expect in the oil and gas in the coming week. So do watch that. Just subscribe and press the bell icon. Like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend.